So this is a LED video light that I picked up and I wanted to have a look at it. It comes packaged in a clear little case like that, and we're just going to get into that there. Okay, so packaging wise, okay, so a thin box, LED video light, so it comes straight in a box. Has it got any? Okay, so we've got a cable, we've got a little piece there, a bit of silica gel, do not eat, and in some bubble wrap, and we've got some documentation here. So what are we expecting here now? Okay, touchlight instructions in English, very basic instructions, 2 languages, 5 watt. So these are the interesting bits here. When you're doing lighting, you want RGB colors. So look at that, you get a nice selection there. Okay, and then we've got a little mounting shoe, hot shoe, to attach it to whatever you need to attach it to. We'll do a couple of testings there. Is it USB type C? Yeah, type C. And here is the actual light itself. Now this is interesting. Okay, charge, just figuring it out right about now. Okay, unless the battery is totally dead. Oh, here we go. So see, that's why you need videos like this. So you actually have to, there's no physical button there. You'll see here, it's a bit of a dip. There's no actual button, but you have to actually just hold it down and then it'll come on all of a sudden. And then, okay, here we go. You can just tap the setting. Okay, so let me show you this from the front view. So there's the light, quite powerful actually, but it is blinding. Okay, so then there, low, high setting, and then low again, and then high, and then off. So it's very basic. It's got a battery in there, color temperature 6500K, and how would that look on a camera? Let me put it on a camera and show you. So you basically attach this little bit on the bottom, screw into the light, and then we've got cameras. So now we're going to put that light onto the camera just like that and screw it down. Okay, yeah. So now how does that look? I'm quite happy with that. It's a small light. It depends what your purpose is for your lights, remember. So ideally they would have been good to have 2 locking nuts, because right now we want to lock the top and the bottom. I wonder how would that, okay, so let's put it on again there, and then that's full power. It's not too bad. It'd be interesting to see how long it lasts, and also you can plug it via type C, so you can plug it in and actually have it on. So that's not too shabby there. Let's try some of the gels. So with these gels, what tends to happen is, turn it off, you get a gel. Oh, I accidentally pushed the button on there. There's no actual physical button, and then you can just put the gel in like that. Let's see how, oh wow. Okay, now we're talking. Now we're talking, people. Look at that. That is quite, I like that. I didn't think it'll have such a big impact. See, look at that. So if that is in a background, like, you know, just to give you a bit of atmosphere, like an atmosphere light, quite impressed with that. Okay, so let's see, it makes my face a bit red, but that looks very nice. Okay, let me change the color, right? Let's have a look at another color. So let's go, pull that out. Let's put a blue in there. Okay, we just push it in. That does look quite funky. It's like a retro lighting. I should have had 4 of them in different colors and have like a bit of a display in the background. I quite like that. See, it gives you a bit of a retro pop feel. But yeah, that is how it looks there, and this is how it look on camera. If you're going for that type of look, let me put it on camera. So it gives you an idea. I haven't tightened it down there, but ideally you should have had 2 of those clips to tighten it fully. But I am quite impressed here. A little light, powerful. Obviously you've got the gels there. You've got a cable to charge it with. What else would you want? If you've got a small rig and a small setup, let's see how long the cable is. here we go. Okay, it's quite a long cable as well. I can plug this on charge. I'll leave it on charge. I've got a couple charging right now. We've looked at a few today. So yeah, that would be a nice option for you there. So definitely want to check out.